As of right now, this is my most expensive YouTube intro at $2,000. I certainly hope that you enjoyed that 15-second short video. Well, let's take a closer look at the damage on this DJI FPV drone. Now, this is painful. The left front arm literally snapped off. You can see that all of this pieces that were holding in place are just completely cracked. Anyway, there's nothing I can do until Wednesday when the part arrives off Amazon, this bottom cover right here. So let's dig in further into the video. And the main goal of the video is to help those who just purchased the DJI FPV drone not to crash it in the first week. Let's go. Those of you who already purchased the DJI FPV drone know that this bundle includes the remote controller and, of course, the goggles. These are the DJI version 2 goggles. Only after wrecking the drone, I found out that DJI came up with a fantastic feature on these goggles and the DJI FPV combo. It's an app that's called DJI Virtual Flight. Now, this is a real game changer right there. Basically, the DJI Virtual Fly App is a simulator version of flying the FPV drone. This app by DJI allows its users to fully submerge into the experience of flying the DJI FPV drone without needing the actual drone. Basically, this app is a video game, or if you want to call it a flight simulator, that's fine too. Basically, all you need to do is connect your phone through this port right here to the goggles, connect your remote, and then you can simply fly it. Just like that. This app has a lot of useful tutorials. In fact, they go into great detail describing the remote controller and absolutely every single button on it, so that's really nice. Also, the app has a lot of different flight simulator modes. There's a lot of beginner versions, some advanced, and there's also some freestyle, so manual mode, for example. You can do all sorts of flips and dives, which I never got to doing that with the actual drone, but I did test it in the flight simulator and it was super fun. A few more words about the crash. DJI FPV is super durable, super duper durable. The drone wrecked into the tree pretty fast. It was probably going at least 40 miles an hour. It has a maximum speed of 90. And on the video, you can literally see little pieces of bark just flying as this drone hit it. It just chopped the tree so bad. And honestly, things could be a lot worse, but just the leg, I mean, that's not too bad. This video is absolutely not sponsored by DJI, but again, I'm super impressed by the company. This Mavic Mini here was wrecked into a tree too, and we got it back after maybe about a week, and the only damage to it was this broken arm right here, which we glued back, and now the drone is functioning just fine. Anyway, this is just a quick review and experience on the durability of DJI, and you can check out the crash of the Mavic Mini using that link up there. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you found it super helpful, and I truly hope and wish that none of you ever have to go through this process of crashing and repairing your DJI drone. Anyway, have fun using the DJI FPV drone and this flight simulator app. See you next time.